Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. दिनै आं नोंथांमोननि सिगाङाव आंनि भिडिअनि गेजेरजों जेनेरेल नलेजनि माखासे गोनां क्वेश्चन्स एन्ड आन्सार्स लानानै फैबावबाय। दिनैनि टपिकआनो जाहैबाय फर्स्ट इन इंडिया एन्ड वर्ल्ड पार्ट 4। अब्ला नोंथांमोना भिडिअखौ नायलांबाय थादो। So let's start. First questionआनो जाहैबाय The first woman Olympic medal winner is Karnam Malleswari. The second question is The first woman president of UN General Assembly is Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Question number 3. The first Prime Minister of India who did not face the parliament is Charan Singh. Question number 4. The first Indian to receive Jnanpith Award is G. Sankara Kurup. Question number 5. The first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics is C. V. Raman. Question number 6. The first Indian to receive Bharat Ratna Award are C. Rajagopalachari, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan and C. V. Raman. Question number 7. First Olympic gold medal is in hockey, 1928. Question number 8. First individual Olympic medal is K.D. Jadhav in wrestling. Question number 9. First Formula 1 race driver is Naren Karthikeyan. Question number 10. India's first chess grandmaster is Viswanathan Anand in 1988. Question number 11. First Indian to win 5 World Chess Championship is Viswanathan Anand. Question number 12. First Chief of Army Staff is General Maharaja Rajendra Singh Ji. Question number 13. First railway started in India in 1853. Question number 14. Postal stamp was first issued in the year in 1825. Question number 15. First woman airline pilot is Durba Banerjee. Question number 16. First man to climb Mount Everest without oxygen is Phu Dorji. Question number 17. First indigenously built submarine of India is Salki. Question number 18. First woman Chief Election Commissioner of India is Rama Devi. Question number 19. First woman Speaker of Lok Sabha is Meira Kumar. Last question out dongo. The first Secretary General of the United Nations is Trygve Lie. नोंथांमोनहा आंनि भिडिअखौ नायनानै मोजां मोनदोंब्ला भिडिअखौ लाइक खालाम, साबस्क्राइब खालाम, लोगोसे बेल आइकनखौबो थुनानै हो जाहाथे आंनि गोदान भिडिअफोरखौ नोंथांमोनहा मोनग्रोनो हायो। अब्ला दिनैनि भिडिअआ एसेनोसै। थेंक्स फर वाचिं।